Hello, this is Brian from Orion Motors. I'm here today to talk to you about the Espar-Eberspacher hydronic heater and how to turn it on. First of all, push the button once to wake it up. Next, turn the dial and you'll have several selection options across the top. You turn the dial to select different ones. You're going to want to select the one with the squiggly lines here, which represents heater. You can see the state is currently off. Push it once. Now you have a couple different selection options for how long you want the heater to run. You can toggle this around. Push once to enter. The display is now switched to on and 30 minutes, and the heating cycle has begun. The first thing you'll hear is the coolant pump fire up and start circulating coolant. Then you'll start to hear the fuel pump clicking. That is priming the heater. Next, the boiler will actually fire up and you'll hear combustion gases coming out of the exhaust pipe. That's how you know it's on. If you put your hand near the exhaust pipe, you'll feel that exhaust gas start to get warm, and you know that it's making heat. Once that is all complete, the heat will actually start to begin as it circulates coolant throughout the system. Depending on your system, this may take a few minutes to actually get warm. Finally, to turn the system off, push this button again here. You can toggle around to different options. We're going to pick the squiggly lines again. Push the button, and now it asks you if you want to turn it off. Push it once to turn it off. At this point, the system will go through its shutdown routine, which turns off the coolant pump, the fuel pump, and will circulate fresh air through the boiler for just another few seconds until it finally shuts down completely. That's it. Thank you.